Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the carburetor intake gasket on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. Unthread the wing nuts counterclockwise to detach the air filter cover. Remove the air filter. Use a T27 Torx bit to unthread the two mounting bolts, securing the filter base and carburetor. You can now remove the old intake gasket, if still intact. When installing the new carburetor intake gasket, first insert the bolts through the air filter base and baffle. Position the new intake gasket on the bolts. Align the carburetor, followed by the carburetor outlet gasket. Now position the assembly and thread the mounting bolts. Replace the air filter. Realign the filter cover and thread the wing nuts to secure.